Hi class, today I am going to teach the lesson The Scholar's Mother Tongue from 6th Standard English textbook. Children, we have heard many amusing stories about Akbar and Birbal. Here we have an exciting story about Birbal and Akbar. This lesson, The Scholar's Mother Tongue, is extracted from Akbar and Birbal stories. Let's read the lesson. A learned scholar, Pandit, once visits the court of Akbar. He says, I have mastery over different languages. And the Pandit continues, I can speak many languages fluently. Oh, sounds good. The Pandit makes a challenge to the court. Is there anybody present here who can find out what my mother tongue is? One day, a learned scholar or a great scholar came to King Akbar's court. He knew many languages and could speak fluently. He challenged everyone to find out his mother tongue. The courtiers discussed among themselves, maybe Kannada, Urdu, Tamil, but they failed in their attempt to find out the Pandit's mother tongue. And so you all accept defeat. Oh no! Oh no! Just then Birbal speaks, Well, Pandit, I shall find out what your mother tongue is in a day or so. Glad to hear that, Birbal. Take your own time. Everyone tried to find out what his mother tongue was, but they failed. Just then Birbal said, Well, Pandit, I shall find out what your mother tongue is in a day or so. Now the task was given to Birbal. That night Birbal sneaks into the Pandit's bedroom and finds him fast asleep. He whispers into the Pandit's ear, then he tickles his ear with a feather. Pandit, in his sleep, shouts words in his mother tongue. Yavaradi. Oh well, that's it. The next day in the court, Your Majesty, the Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu. Yes. That night, Birbal sneaks into the Pandit's bedroom. Sneak means go quietly. That night, Birbal went to the room of scholar quietly. The scholar was fast asleep. Birbal took a small feather and tickled the scholar's ears. The scholar cried in fear and shouts words in his mother tongue. Tickle means touch someone lightly. The next day, Birbal came to the court and said that the mother tongue of the scholar was Telugu. King Akbar is astonished. Well done, Birbal, but how did you find it out? Your Majesty, in times of difficulty, a person speaks his mother tongue. Birbal then narrates the entire incident that took place in the Pandit's bedroom the previous night. Clever Birbal, you have indeed proved your wit again. Thank you, Your Majesty. The courtiers praised Birbal's wit and the Pandit leaves the king's court in dismay. Arre, I accept defeat, my lord. Indeed, Birbal is cleverer than me. Astonished means surprised. Dismay means a feeling of sadness and disappointment. King Akbar was surprised and asked Birbal how he found it out. Birbal said, in times of danger and in difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. Everyone wondered at the wisdom of Birbal. Then the scholar accepted his defeat. Check your understanding. Who was the visitor at the Akbar's court one day? A learned scholar or Pandit was the visitor at the Akbar's court one day. What did he tell the king and courtiers? He told the king and courtiers that he could speak many languages fluently. What did he challenge the court? He challenged the court to find out his mother tongue. What was Pandit's mother tongue? Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Thank you.